Hello people, hello family, hello friends, wherever you're watching me from, you're welcome, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If this is your first time here to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Join us over here. On this channel we grow our hair. If you're experiencing baldness, alopecia, hair breakage, hair thinning, you want to detangle your hair, you want to grow your natural hair, you want to know how to care for your hair, this channel is for you. Today's video I'll be making a hair mask which is so amazing. I'll be making use of flaxseed. Flaxseed is so amazing in detangling the hair. It helps in growing out our hair. And also I'll be including carrot, guys. Carrot is very great source of nutrients to our hair. It is packed with a lot of nutrients, guys. It helps with circulation on the scalp. It promotes hair growth. And lastly, I'll be adding in hibiscus leaves. Hibiscus leaves helps in improving our hair and also in stimulating our hair follicles. It is very effective in treating baldness and alopecia as well. And if you are experiencing dandruff, frizziness, dryness, hair thinning, this mask is for you guys. So this mask, as you can see, it's very simple to make. The preparation is easy. Go ahead to get your flaxseed, hibiscus leaf and carrot mixed together and put it in a very low heat. Let it steam up, and when it starts steaming up, the gel or the mask will start bubbling, and then this is what it looks like, guys. The more it gets bubbling, the more it gets cooled down. And you guys, this mask is so amazing. The preparation is very easy. So if you want it to be very thick, you have to add in a little bit of water, and if you want it to be a little bit light, add in more water. The more it gets cooled down, the more it gets thicker. So this is a hair mask that is very simple and very easy. You guys, you are going to love it. So I'm going to go ahead now to strain it while it is still light, like while it is still liquidy. So because later on when it gets thicker, it is going to be very difficult to strain. So right now I went ahead to strain it with my filter right here. You can use any strainer of your choice, and after straining this, I will allow it to cool down before making use of it. So as you can see, it is still a little bit light. The more it gets cooled down, the more it's going to be very jelly and sticky and, you know, getting thick. So I'm going to be adding in my infused herbal hair growth treatment oil. This treatment oil is very versatile. You can use it in different ways. I will be uploading this video right soon, so stay tuned, enjoy this video. So guys, after the mask, I am going to be making a hairspray. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. If you have watched this video to this extent, thank you so much, and don't forget to like this video at this point. I know you are enjoying the video. So I'm going to be, instead of using warm water to spray on my hair, I'm just going to be making an infusion with the same ingredients. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a very simple hairspray using just 3 ingredients, the same ingredients you use in making your hair mask. I'm going to also be using it to make the hairspray, which is going to give our spray more benefits, like your hair. If you are experiencing thinning, alopecia, baldness, breakage, you want to grow your hair, this spray is so versatile. Like, this spray is amazing, filled with a lot of amazing benefits. So I'm going to be adding in the carrot, a little bit of the carrot, a little bit of the flaxseed, and a little bit of the hibiscus, just the same ingredient that we use in making the mask. So I'm going to be making use of the same ingredients for the hairspray, guys. Flaxseed also help in our hair growth, in growing it faster. In case you don't know, flaxseed is very good for the scalp. It help in hair growth, preventing hair breakage. It encourage the growth of our new follicles in our hair. So I'm going to be adding in a little bit of the flaxseed, a little bit of the carrot, and a little bit of the hibiscus leaf. Hibiscus leaf is so amazing in helping to improve the buildup of keratin, and also it boosts the formation of new hair follicles as well. Very effective in growing our hair preventing a lot of issues in our scalp. Guys, if you want to really grow your hair, hibiscus is amazing, including the carrots. Carrots is food filled with nutrients and vitamins for our hair. Guys, this hair spray is a miracle spray. Guys, as you can see, I went ahead to infuse this overnight. You can infuse this for 30 minutes. You don't want to boil it, just add in clean water and let it infuse like that. So after the infusion for 1 hour or overnight, whichever you prefer, then go ahead to strain it and package it back into the spray bottle, and you can warm it up a little bit again if it is too cold, so that when you are spraying it on your hair, it will open up your hair follicles and it will just penetrate faster, and whatever you are using to moisturize your hair, or if you are applying conditioner or mask, it will just work immediately. So guys, especially if you have low 4C type hair. So guys, I am going to strain it and then put it in my spray bottle again, and then go ahead to use it to spray on my hair. This spray, you can use it every day. You can use it on your protective style. You can use it before your wash day or after your wash day. Spray it on your hair if your hair is dry, and also it is very packed with a lot of nutrients. It is very amazing. So guys, this is it. I am going to be putting it in the double boiler for it to warm a little, so that I can use it to spray on my hair. So guys, this is what my hair looks like, and if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to leave us a comment down below in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel, follow us, and like our video. And yeah, this is what my hair looks like, growing very amazingly, going gracefully. And yeah, I am going to apply the mask. I will show you guys what the mask look like. I am so amazed with this mask. My last treatment that I did was aloe vera. I used only aloe vera, and it did an amazing job. So I hope this one do an amazing job as well. So I'm going to be using this treatment as a pre-poo, as a detangler, and also as a scalp treatment. So I love my treatment or my mask to be very versatile. I love my treatment to be very versatile. So this is the spray. First of all, I'm going to be using the spray to open up my hair follicles, because my hair is very dry now, so that when I apply the mask, it will just penetrate and be easier, like, you know what I mean. So guys, I am going to spray my warm treatment spray now. Because of the weather, it is cold. You can leave it to be normal, but mine is a little bit warm, not hot, just a little bit warm, in order for it to penetrate into my hair, because I have thick 4C hair. So guys, I am going to section my hair. As you can see, I work in section in order to be easier for you, depending on your hair. Make sure to work in sections. And also, I'm going to work in section, apply the spray, and then apply the masks. So I will leave you guys now to enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you guys love it. After applying the mask, your hair will be very soft. I love the result that the mask gave to me, and even the spray, using the spray alone was absolutely great. It's softening my hair, and you're ready to moisturize it on the go. Because I'm doing this treatment before my wash day, I'm going to spray the spray and then apply the mask. And after I am done with my wash day, I'm still going to be using the spray, because it is so amazing. I love the result of the spray.